Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was actually just sent this really cool knife from imarku. They have some fantastic knives. I've done several demos for them before. Love the fact that it comes in a really nice box. This would make a great gift, and it's packaged extremely well because they want to make sure that it makes a nice display as well as it is extremely functional. Now what you have here is actually a 7-inch chef's knife. Again, really nice packaging. Loving this handle. This is a solid Packawood handle. Feels very, very high quality. You also have really nice intricate detailing on the back. And everything about this just exudes the fact that this is a really high quality chef's knife. Again, total of about 12 inches in length. Weighted really well as far as towards the handle. Does have really nice pieces here as far as the protection goes on that. And as a chef's knife goes, really, really strong, but it's also extremely thin. Does have the nice ability to do some rocking mechanisms on there as well. So that way, if you're actually out cutting things, I mean, that that cuts right through that fresh fruit. So if you're cutting through fresh fruit, really easy, makes it really nice. I've got something harder here. This is a really hard summer sausage. So I was kind of going to see how it was going to cut through that, but I mean, effortless as far as cutting through. And you can easily, with that rocking, just go through there and cut that stuff like that. That's going to do a really nice job and really extremely sharp. And I really like this handle. Any of these that do this solid wood handles like this, polished up really nice, it makes a really nice display. This would work well for everyday use or on display or give it as a gift.